Struggling with writer's block, tight deadlines, or just looking for a smarter way to create content? Meet Tad.AI, the AI-powered platform that makes content creation faster, easier, and more impactful. Stay tuned as we explore how Tad.AI can transform the way you create content. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a game-changing tool for anyone in content creation, marketing, or even education. Tad.AI is an innovative platform that leverages artificial intelligence to help you generate, enhance, and manage content effortlessly. Whether you're crafting blog posts, social media captions, or business reports, Tad.AI can do it all. Let's explore what makes this platform stand out. What is Tad.AI? Tad.AI is an advanced content creation tool designed for professionals, students, and businesses who need high-quality content quickly. By harnessing the power of AI, Tad.AI can generate human-like text, provide topic suggestions, refine existing drafts, and even help with SEO optimization. It's like having a personal content assistant available 24/7. Key features of Tad.AI: content generation in seconds. With Tad.AI, you can create everything from full-length articles to catchy social media posts in just a few clicks. Simply input a prompt, and the AI generates engaging, tailored content for your needs. Editing and optimization tools. Have a draft that needs polishing? Tad.AI's editing features ensure your content is grammatically correct, concise, and impactful. Plus, its optimization tools help you align your writing with SEO best practices to boost your online visibility. Custom templates. Choose from a wide range of templates for different content types: emails, blog posts, ad copies, and more. Tad.AI streamlines the process, saving you hours of work. Collaboration made easy. Need to work with a team? Tad.AI allows for real-time collaboration, making it simple to share drafts, get feedback, and finalize content together. How to use Tad.AI. Sign up and log in. Head over to Tad.AI, create a free account, and explore the platform. It's easy to set up, and you'll get access to tons of features right away. Input your prompt or goal. Tell Tad.AI what you need, be it a blog on digital marketing or a list of email subject lines. The AI will handle the rest. Refine your content. Once your draft is ready, use the editing tools to fine-tune your content. Adjust tone, style, or structure with just a few clicks. Download and publish. When your content is perfect, download it in your preferred format and share it wherever you need, on your website, social media, or presentations. Who is Tad.AI for? Content creators. From bloggers to YouTubers, Tad.AI helps streamline content production. Marketers. Create ad copy, newsletters, and more with ease. Businesses. Save time and resources by automating routine writing tasks. Students. Write essays, research summaries, and projects faster than ever. Personal experience and review. I've been testing Tad.AI for a week now, and I'm blown away by how intuitive and efficient it is. The AI understands context, generates accurate results, and even provides fresh ideas when you're stuck. If you're looking for a way to supercharge your content creation, I highly recommend giving Tad.AI a try. Conclusion. That's it for today's video. Tad.AI is a versatile and powerful tool that can save you time and help you produce amazing content effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tutorials. Let me know in the comments, what kind of content would you use Tad.AI for? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Chase the light, no matter where it goes. Through the darkest nights, our love always glows. If you by my side, I can face the unknown. In this wild ride, together we've grown. And when the storm comes crashing, we'll weather the rain. With every heartbeat, I'll call out your name. Through the highs and lows, we'll find our way. In the dance of life, you're my guiding ray. So let the world spin, let the seasons change. With you, my love, nothing feels out of range. In this song we sing, our hearts intertwined. Forever in the light, you'll always be mine.